So alrighty, y'all. Ty Brown over here at ProTrans Athens. Customer brought us in a 21 Ford Explorer. States AC not cooling properly. So we did a couple tests. We put the power probe inside of their phone out. We was at 73 degrees while it was 62 outside. So we got in here, took the Snap-on scanner, Triton, and decided, well, let's see if we got command on at the compressor. Phone out, we did. We rolled the machine out here, realized, okay, we are low in Freon. Had to get the updated machine, car is R1234YF. Decided to roll that out
I'll show you all
here.
that real quick so you can see
Looked,
it.
okay.
So see, new YF right there.
Yep. And then we found out right here the hose was rubbing and pretty much put a hole through it. That was our issue.
Well, what was rubbing on that?
So it goes over here, and the heater hose
So you can see there's the new hose right here.
goes down around, and it was.
There's a heater hose back
touching.
here that's rubbing. Okay, I see that.
There you go.
So this is now secured up. I see it. Okay, so there's a tie right there.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And
What's she cooling at now?
now we're at 37.
29.
29?
29
okay.
degrees.
Well, now we're at 29. My fault. Even colder than I thought. But there you have it.
All right, guys. See y'all on the next one.